In today's fast-paced business environment, organizations are racing to advance their digital transformation to remain competitive. Despite this urgency, a common challenge: the gap between demand and IT capacity, causing delays in modernization efforts. To address this, tools are crucial for accelerating development and boosting IT capacity in delivering digital products. Low-code platforms offer a remedy, providing a faster, visual, and inclusive experience for app modernization. This enables organizations to rapidly turn innovative ideas into actionable solutions. These platforms facilitate quick app implementation through features like drag-and-drop functionality, business logic flowcharts, and model-driven data management. They simplify app management with one-click deployment, automated monitoring, and a cloud-native approach. In addition, low-code's inherent agility lowers long-term costs and easily adapts operations to change. Collaboration with business stakeholders is streamlined, fostering innovation. Eviden, a global leader in low-code solutions, leverages a skilled team and an efficient low-code adoption framework with a unique app factory model to enhance the success of your digital transformation journey. Eviden collaborates with top low-code platforms, delivering customized solutions across diverse industries like aviation, insurance, banking, and manufacturing. Our strategic initiatives enable rapid app development for various enterprise functions. Take the first step to rapidly modernize your applications and achieve your digital transformation goals.